Hey there, are you looking to save money on your energy bills and keep your home cool? Today, I'm going to share 5 easy ways to improve your air conditioner's energy efficiency. Let's get started. Tip number 1, use a programmable thermostat. Set it to automatically raise the temperature when you're not home and lower it just before you return. This way, you're not cooling an empty house and you can save up to 10% on your cooling costs. Tip number 2, seal your ducts. Leaky ducts can cause your air conditioner to work harder than necessary. Use mastic sealant or metal tape to seal any leaks and improve your system's efficiency by up to 20%. Tip number 3, keep the filter clean. A dirty filter restricts airflow and makes your air conditioner work harder. Replace or clean your filters every 1 to 2 months during peak cooling season. Tip number 4, schedule regular maintenance. Have a professional check your system at least twice a year. Regular servicing ensures your unit runs efficiently and can help catch minor issues before they become big problems. Tip number 5, use fans to help cool your home. Ceiling fans and portable fans can circulate cool air, allowing you to raise your thermostat setting by about 4 degrees without sacrificing comfort. By following these 5 tips, you can improve your air conditioner's efficiency, save money, and stay comfortable all summer long. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more plumbing and HVAC tips. Thanks for watching.